Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how you can change the text size or the font size at Huawei Y6 and Y7 in the versions of 2019. So for that we need to go to the settings. You scroll down like this and go here. And then we need to point display. And then we have here the point text and display size. So tap it. First of all, you can arrange the whole display that is a bit more zoomed in like this. And also you can change here the text size. No? Large, extra large, and huge. So if you tap the huge one, he will gives you the tip to go to the simple mode. If you go to the simple mode, let's follow this. We have everything in general a bit bigger and also not that much apps as you can see here. So everything will be bigger. You will have not 5 apps in a line, so we have just 3 apps in a line. So yeah, it is a better overview. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. Would be very helpful for more videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It will be a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.